Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am back with some questions that are really a very good quality questions because these questions are not solvable by using any formulas or by remembering any formulas. So first question is Mr. X has 3 children. Mr. X has 3 children. The birthday of first child falls on 5th Monday of April. 5th Monday of April. Birthday of first child is on 5th Monday of April. Then second child birthday falls on 5th Thursday of November. 5th Thursday of November. On which day the birth date of his third child, which falls on 20th December. 20th December is the birth date of third child, but what is the day on 20th December is asked here. Now how to find this? First of all, we will note April has 30 days. November has 30 days and December has 31 days. Now 5th Monday of April is possible only for two places. 1, 8, 15, 22, 29 or 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. These are the possibilities for month of April. Month of April, I will write some dates here. 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. As April month has only 30 days. So 5 Mondays, 5th Monday means to get 5 Mondays, either this will be 30 April, birthday on 30 April or 29 April. Either this is Monday or this is Monday. Anyone is possible. Any case is possible. Now 5th Thursday is on November. In November 30. 30th November date is the 5th Thursday. 30th November is the 5th Thursday. So for November month, so for November again, there are two possibilities, that 1, 8, 15, 22, 29 and 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. And it is Thursday. So Thursday can be here and Thursday can be here, because November is the month of 30 days. And now 20th December. Now if Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Suppose this is Thursday and it is 30 November is coming on Thursday. Then 1 December. 1 December here means 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. December has 31 days. December has 31 days. And if 30 November is on Thursday, then 1st December will be on Friday. So 1, 8, 15, 22, 29 December is also on Friday. And we are asked here to find the day on 20th December. As 22 December is Friday, 21, 22, 21, 20. So 20 December will have day Thursday. This is one possibility. Now we will check second possibility. That is, if Thursday will, now here 5th of November. 5th Thursday in November is on 30. So here 20 December has Thursday. We will check, is it clear in options? Yes, option is Thursday, so option B is right answer. First of all, it is said that Mr. X has 3 children. The birthday of first child falls on 5th Monday of April. So we have denoted April has 30 days, November has 30 days and December has 31 days. There are 5 Mondays in April. 5 Mondays in April possible for only 2 set of dates, that is 1, 8, 15, 22, 29 or 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. Now I am letting that 5th Monday of April, that 5th Monday of April, that 5th Monday of April is on 30. So I make calendar. Then next case is 5th Thursday in November. 5th Thursday in November is possible for 2 dates, either 29 or 30. Now if on Thursday there is date 29 for November, on Thursday there is date 29 of, suppose here the date is 29 now on Thursday, then 30 November will come in on Friday and 1 December on Saturday. So 1, 8, 15, 22, 29 on Saturday. So 22 December is coming here and we have to find 20 December. So 22, 21 here and 21 here and 20. So 20 December will have 20 December will have Thursday. So our answer is Thursday is right here. Now the next question is, some rats are cats. Some rats are cats. Some cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs. No dog is cow. Conclusions: no cow is a cat. No cow is cat. Those possibilities that are visible from this figure, we will take it as right answer. No cow is cat. Now here if we see, then there is no relation between cow and cat. No cow is cat is right. Next is no dog is rat. No dog is rat. These are dogs, these are rats. So it is clear from figure that no dog is rat, we can say. So option 2 is also right. Some cats are rats. Some cats are rats, it is also right, because there is some intersection point or overlapping region between rats and cats. So conclusions 1, 2, 3 all are correct. Option A is right answer. Next question is, number of parallelogram that can be formed from set of 4 parallel lines intersecting another set of 4 parallel lines. Suppose these are 4 parallel lines intersecting other 4 parallel lines. Then what will be the number of parallelograms? Parallelograms are nothing but having 4 sides and having any shape. Parallelogram can be a square, can be rectangle, can be anything like this, can be a trapezium also. Because parallelogram, only one condition, there are 4 sides. So we can arrange this 4 by 4 lines which are parallel to each other. So here is possibility of having square and rectangle. These two structures can be formed here, and it is asked how many such sets are possible. How many because means how many parallelograms are possible here. Here as we see, there are total 1, 2, 3 vertical boxes and 1, 2, 3 horizontal boxes. So 3 factorial into 3 factorial will be our number of parallelograms. That is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 1 will be the number of parallelograms. 6 into 6, that is 36 parallelograms are possible here. Option D is right answer. Next question is, in a school, every student is assigned a unique identification number. A student is football player if and only if identification number is divisible by 4 and it is cricketer if and only if identification number is divisible by 6. Then if every number from 1 to 100 is assigned to a student, then how many of them play cricket as well as football? Cricket as well as football means the number should be such that it is divisible by 4 also and it is divisible by 6 also. 4 we can write it as 2 into 2 and 6 we can write it as 2 into 3. 4 we can write it as 2 into 2 and 6 we can write it as 2 into 3. Now we will find LCM. For LCM, this 2 and 2 in common, 2 into this 2 and this 3, 2 into 3, that is 2 into 2 into 3 means 12. 12 is LCM for 4 and 6. Now how many of them play cricket as well as football means the numbers in between 1 to 100 which are multiples of 12 are the students playing cricket as well as football. Means we will write table of 12. 12, 24, 36, up to 0 to 100, up to 96 it is possible. 12 into 9 is 108 which is coming out of range. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96 are the possible values. So the students having identification number 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96 can play cricket as well as football. So how many of them play cricket as well as football? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them are playing cricket as well as football. Option B is right answer.